In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Bard's AI text-to-image generator. So we're going to have a look at this together and I'll explain how this works and we'll create a prompt live on video. So what you want to do is go to Google Bard. To get here, just type in Google Bard on Google and you might need to log into your Google account. What you can do here is you can give it a prompt. Now this works like ChatGPT, but it actually allows you to generate images as well. So I'm going to ask it here to generate an image of a penguin going down a roller coaster. So I've asked it to right here generate an image of a penguin going down a roller coaster, happy big eyes cartoon. So we're going to go ahead and click submit and it then should submit some images. Now this isn't the best prompt in the world. You can obviously make this prompt more detailed and you're going to get better results. However, these are the results that Google Bard has generated. I'm not too sure what's going on with this one, but this one's quite cute. This one's quite cool. I could even say here, elaborate on the second one. It looks scary. And we'll see what it comes back with now. Okay, so we've got two completely different images, but nonetheless, that's how you do it. I've just noticed here you've got a generate more button, which is going to generate more images based on your prompt. So that's how you can do it. Go ahead and check that out for yourself and let me know if you generate any decent images with it.